when I'm home. I'll have no one to show. I'll sing all the season, cause who needs a tradition? Movie marathon for one is always much more fun. Bottle of my gifts so I get just what I want.
Welcome back. Okay, sorry, you guys are really zoomed in here. Let me zoom you out.
How are you? Are you really good? You did it. Did you pay half price for those jeans? No, I'm playing. Santa's coming, girl.
Santa's coming, girl.
Hey.
Santa's coming.
Yeah. Mommy, better watch out. You better not cry.
Happy December 4th.
Better hold the camera. I'm driving, baby.
Go, whip it. Oh my god.
Let me go. Sorry.
Oh my god, you just ran a red light.
Keep it.
Whoa,
Alpha male. Go away. Knows that you've been bad.
Oh my god. Welcome back to Vlogmas. It is December 4th and I am with Lexi for the day. Hello. We're starting off the morning by eating at this place called Oven Bird. I think it's new because I've never heard of it.
What is it called? I don't know.
It's called Oven Bird.
You don't even know. You're saying.
No, it is Oven Bird. I'm pretty sure.
Like, I'm positive.
And it looks very, very good. And then after, basically, I follow this page on Instagram called 365 Austin, and they always post like new things that are happening in Austin. And so there's this little, what would you say?
It's like a little like holiday pop-up thing where you can buy like homemade gifts and stuff.
Yeah, there's like artists there and like people who sell jewelry and pottery and stuff there. And yeah, we're gonna go shopping there. Sorry. It's at this like colonial looking house, which I'm really excited because I think those are really pretty and stuff. So we actually left.
How are you so peppy? Oh my gosh.
Because then I'm gonna freak myself out if I'm actually like so I'm having an allergic reaction right now. We literally like got up and like left.
We're rushing to Walgreens to
Yeah,
Benadryl.
we don't know what it was, but I think it was my chai. I don't know if they like,
I think it was cross-contamination, honestly.
yeah, I don't know if they like gave me something else, but I asked for almond milk and I can always have almond milk.
Oh my goodness.
So yeah, we're going to get Benadryl right now from Walgreens, but then we're gonna go back and eat our food. Bye! Alright guys, Benadryl. Basically, I hate when this happens, but it's kind of out of my control. You know, you can't really control whenever it happens. But if you don't want to use an EpiPen, I would recommend using Benadryl. Look, it's even decorated.
Just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversation.
We're here. Also guys, I feel a lot better. Look how cute. This isn't the thing, but it'll be around the corner. What?
You can go in.
Is someone in here? No. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so basically, this is where we're at. I couldn't pronounce this earlier. We're at Neil Cochran House Museum. Well, that was cute. Which one did you get?
Citrus 2 has apple, pineapple, lemon, and mint.
Yum.
Don't embarrass me. Wait, and sorry, do I owe any money or no? No. You took it out of my account? You took it out of the account? Yeah!
Look at how cute these are.
Can you stop, please?
Shut up.
No one cares. Ooh, give each other mom, yes. Right here. She got a cute. Royal. That's what I was thinking.
Ready?
Which one should she get, guys? Vote down below.
Round 2. Hi guys, okay, so I'm back home and I want to show you a haul of what I got. First off, those 2 rings that I showed you when I was in Anthropology, I got both of those, but I'll show you them again just in case you couldn't see them up close. They're so cute. Also, they come in these adorable bags, which I didn't know they did. So this is the first one. Both of these rings were $38, which at first I was like, okay, that's kind of a little pricey, but they are really, really good quality and they're really cute. All right, and then the second ring is a little bit more fancier. It has blue little jewels on it, and that is what this one looks like. Fun, super cute. Then I went to Nordstrom and I got a Christmas gift for somebody, but I'm not gonna show it because they watch my videos. But it's in this little bag. Then I went to Brandy Melville and I'll show y'all what I got. So first I got this little zip up. This is what it looks like. Anything from Brandy Melville that has to do with like zip ups, hoodies, sweatshirts, it's just so cute and I love it. So this one says St. George, London. It's really preppy and cute. And then the other thing I got are these pair of shorts. If you look close, you can see it's like little blue flowers on it, which is really cute, and it's kind of like in this oat color. I'm very excited to wear these. So that's what I got today from shopping. As y'all saw, we got pressed freezes and those are my favorite. So if y'all ever go to Pressed, get the chocolate freeze. It is so good. All right, I am in my workout outfit right now. My room is kind of a mess, literally. I need to clean it, but I'm gonna go on a walk. I'm not gonna go to the gym. I think I'm just gonna go on a walk and take one of my dogs with me. We'll see who the lucky one is, but I wanted to do OOTD. So leggings, Lululemon, of course. Zip up is from Brandy, and then sports bra is Dick's Sporting Goods. All right, let's go on a walk. Come here. Today's shoes are going to be these little ADIDAS ones that I have not worn in forever. I'm trying to find the name of them. I'll put the name on the screen, but I'm gonna wear these. Okay, I just took off my headphones so I could talk for a bit, but Lacey and I are going on a little hike in the woods right now. It's kind of chilly outside, but not too bad. I love to go on this little path that I'm taking during my off periods at school. I just leave school, go home for a little bit, go on a hike, and then I'll go back, just because my off periods are like 3 hours long, so I have that time frame to do it. But anyways, I don't know if you can hear, but there's this like beautiful creek in the background and it's so pretty.
But sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I try.
This podcast has literally been my favorite. I listen to it on the way to school, anytime I'm in the car, and on my hikes.
Always think about you, but sometimes I do.
Leo is so sad that I didn't take him on a walk. Where's this from?
Pottery barn, all pottery barn.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that beautiful? You need one of these to
I
go
do.
over the end of your bed.
Look at how cute it is.
If you know what color you want, you can shift. It's on sale right now.
My mom is basically redoing her whole bed right now.
Feel this comforter.
Mmm.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, it is nice. Miss Rhonda just dropped off this little gift, and let me show you how cute it is. Basically, it's a little advent calendar, but in a basket. So how it works is it's mixed up, but on each bag there's a number, and then there's like a little gift or a note inside of it. And I think this is honestly so much more special because she made it than just buying like a store one with, candy and stuff. So I'm really excited. Thank you, Miss Rhonda, if you're watching this. Oh, there's my dad.
Tell her. Hi.
Okay, I need water. Okay, I'm gonna make some lemon water right now because that sounds so yum. Oh, my necklace is like backwards. For tonight's dinner, I'm gonna be making a cheese enchilada. I'm so excited. This looks so fire.
I bought 4 of these ornaments from Pottery Barn and 4 of these. And then Carolyn's gonna put it up right now.
They're cute. This is so freaking good. Okay, I finished my enchilada thing. It was so good. Literally scraped it. Now I'm having cookies and a glass of almond milk. We made these cookies yesterday from Nestle Toll House. Got pumpkin candle lit, and I'm going to take a bath now. I had 4 cookies, Lord, but you know what? I don't even regret it. It was really good. All right.